Hey, this is Don from A Life's Journeys, and in today's video, we are in San Francisco International Airport, and started off just outside the American Express Lounge in Terminal 3. And so we're going to start off with a walk through the tunnel from Terminal 3 to the International Terminal, which has the G gates. And that's where United and most of the Star Alliance flights, international flights, will depart from in San Francisco. The reason I started in Terminal 3 is that that's where United has most of its domestic flights arriving and departing. So if you had a connection in San Fran and we're arriving into San Francisco from another domestic location, you'll come into Terminal 3. You'll need to walk along through this tunnel, and we're going to come up to an escalator here in just a minute. Some good views of the tarmac along the way, and the apron, sort of all of the planes out there. Always love that view. Anyway, in just a moment, we're going to come up to an escalator that brings us from the walkway and up into the terminal. The Polaris Lounge is at the top of the escalator, so if flying in Polaris class, that will be the lounge that you have the opportunity to rest and relax at prior to boarding your flight. So anyway, I'm going to quieten down. I'll put some music on for the rest of the walk through the terminal, so you don't have to listen to me ramble on. But before I do so, just if you are new to the channel and this is your first time viewing, or if you haven't had a chance to do so otherwise, I do invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see more of the travel videos posted by Life's Journeys. As you can see by the light ahead, we're now approaching the end of the concourse. And so that has been our tour of the International Terminal, G Gates, at San Francisco International Airport. And hope you enjoyed this, this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. As I said at the beginning, if you haven't had a chance to do so already, I invite you to subscribe and hit that notification. And please, if you have any questions or comments, invite you to leave those as well. Always enjoy having some great interaction with the community. So I do thank you very much for watching. Wish you a great day, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.